People, welcome to my channel. My name is Kamati, and in today's video I'm going to try the viral TikTok Dalgona coffee, the whipped coffee. So we are going to see how that goes. So let's get into it. So what you need is a bowl. So I have my bowl here, a teaspoon, a whisk, ice, sugar, coffee. I don't know if this coffee will, but this is the only one I have. Hot water, salt, milk. That's all we're gonna be using. Excuse me, my phone will be like moving because I don't have a tripod. So I'm gonna try to do this. So, and also I have my ingredients here. Yeah. That's one. I don't know, this coffee is not fine. Two. Okay, 2 tablespoons of coffee. What do we have? We have 2 tablespoons of sugar. Brown sugar. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. And a bonus. What's next? We have a bowl, yes. So water. We have like 3 to 4 teaspoons of water, hot water. Ooh. That's 1, 2, 3 is enough. 4, and then you start use a whisk to stir. I don't know if this is good enough. So let's see. So you have to do this for like 15 to 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. So it's like arm workout. Do that, go. It's turning like brown. Can you guys see? It's now turning brown. I'm not keeping time, so I don't know. I think it's supposed to get thick. Mine is still like yum. Let me try the next one. Okay. The rest doesn't work. This ball is moving. Guys, this is difficult because I'm holding my phone. I don't have a tripod, so it's getting harder and harder. 20 minutes later, and it's like this. Guys, my arm here. 20 minutes later. I think it's time now. So I already put my ice in a glass, and I'm going to put oil. My goodness, milk. I'm going to put our milk in there. Is that enough? Is that enough? We're going to put our milk there. We just need ice. This ice will melt it. Then we put yep, here we are, our coffee, Dalgona coffee. It looks good. Let's taste it. So okay, this is just coffee. Let's mix this out. Guys, you must try it out. Try it out. A different coffee though. making my error right now. This is a flop. I don't think this coffee is ideal. Well, it's nice. It is nice. Very nice. Try it. Okay guys, this is it. I got to clean up. I'm done. If you try it, let me know how it is. Okay, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out. Peace out.